LightBurn's tools will help you find the best settings for your laser, and they'll also help you with recovering from a job that stopped midway. This is often caused by a USB disconnect, power outage, or system update. Before we look at the options for recovery, there are a few requirements to make it possible. The first is limit switches. Limit switches are used to home the laser before running a job, which tells LightBurn the machine's origin. We will need to return to this origin after a job is halted to regain our positioning before we can continue. The second requirement is that the job you are recovering needs to have been ran using user origin or absolute coordinates as the start from mode. Unlike current position, these modes run at specific coordinates, which is how LightBurn is able to home and recover at the same position. If you are running in user origin, save the project before running the job to make sure that the origin is stored. Be sure to watch our Understanding Different Start From Modes video linked below for more information on how these different modes work. Lastly, both the laser and the material you are going to finish running the job on must not be moved. Any bump or shift will cause undesirable results. For recovery, there are two methods, and the best to use will depend on your specific job. If you were engraving an image or using fill mode, one option is to change the scan angle by 180 degrees. The default setting for this is set to 0. By double-clicking on the layer to open cut settings, we can change the scan angle to 180. Now when we run the engraving, it will start from the opposite side. With this method, you will want to closely watch the engraving so that you can stop the job as soon as the two sides meet. Be aware that depending on your engraving and laser, this method could throw unwanted debris onto the already completed side of the engraving. This brings us to the second method, which is also the method that you would use if recovering a cutting job. The preview window is a great place to verify the settings chosen for your design match the expected output. It will also allow you to choose where in the job you would like to start from. The process for this is fairly simple. In the preview window, move the slider to where the job stopped. Getting it exact is going to be near impossible, so it is recommended to start slightly before the job halted. This will make sure that your part cuts through or doesn't leave a gap in the engraving. When you are happy with the position in preview, click Start Here. This will give you the option to instantly start running the job from that point or save the G-code to be ran later. In my case, I will choose Start Job on Laser from here, which will instantly move the laser to that point where it will run through the rest of the job. Hopefully you will not need to recover jobs very often, but knowing what tools you have available and how to use them could be the difference between scrap and success one day. Be sure to subscribe for more great videos on mastering LightBurn.